Roof truss gusset plate, never a problem, right? Wait till you see this video. I'm gonna show you a picture at the end of the most effective roof truss I've seen from a manufacturing plant, I think, in my career. Let's get into it. So let's talk about roof trusses. They're manufactured in a plant somewhere else and brought to the job site on a truck set in the front yard. If you look at these connections, the metal plates are called gusset plates. At each connection, they're pressed in on both sides. If you look at that gusset plate right there, it's not centered on the connection. So the engineer determines the loads of all the joints and how much all the connections are. And this gusset plate right there, not being centered, doesn't meet what the manufacturer designed it to do. So you remember the picture on the Truss engineering showed that gusset plate being centered. There's multiple in this home that are that way. So I don't know how something like that would get past quality control, but must not be that great. Or fell asleep at lunchtime, not sure. But at any rate, yeah, so who makes the determination on the repair? I am a building inspector and residential contractor. I may know how I think it should be repaired, but legally I cannot make that decision. All right, what'd you think? That was pretty ugly, right? I mean, I'm sure you guys got some better photos, so send them in the comments below. Thanks for watching the video. Steve Graff from Construction Defect Videos, signing out. Of course, if you don't look, you don't know. And if you look and you don't know, then it doesn't matter. You don't know what you're seeing. So you rely on an inspector, a contractor, your framing professional to catch these deficiencies. Granted, it's not a framer that did something wrong. It's something wrong with the product that came from the plant. So nonetheless, it needs to be fixed, and I'm glad I found these things. So you guys, if you enjoy these videos, don't forget to share, like, subscribe, follow, all those good things, and you guys have a blessed day. Thank you very much.